find the information from the interview by setting the group targeted 10 people from Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science and 10 people from other faculty at Content University. Following data collection, it is turned out that there were 12 interview participants from the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science as well as the other faculty such as Associated Medical, Law, Education, and also Business School for a total of 13 people.
For the next question, why did the interviewees think people choose to study in this faculty? 76% of interviewees said that people choose to study in this faculty because they wish to do the job that is health science related in the future. However, only 8% believe that people choose to study in this faculty because they cannot get into the medical school, while 16% believe that they choose to study in pharmaceutical science because of their parents' will. It shows that the majority believe that people choose to study in this faculty with their own will.
For the answer in the next question, what do you think about the pharmaceutical student? From the result, the majority of people think that pharmaceutical students have a behavior such that pharmaceutical students have a passion to be pharmacists and they are interested in chemistry that can be utilized in pharmaceutical science. And moreover, they think that pharmaceutical science students are disciplined and cautious. So, the most proportion of the population has a positive attitude toward pharmaceutical science students. It results in the pharmaceutical students are being admitted into society. However, in the hospital society, the physicians are prioritized as the leader, and the ratio of admission between the medical school and pharmaceutical school, the medical school has higher than pharmaceutical school, and so that the medical profession is more analytic than the pharmaceutical professions.
Most of people have ever heard about this stereotype. There were a total of 21 from 25 people.
The next question, do you agree with the stereotype and why? According to the interviewees, 76% disagree with it, and they suggest that they think that there are many people who really want to attend to the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, not because they can attend to a med school, but 24% agree with it and suggest that there are many of students who can make it to med school join this faculty. Even some peer students agree because they are the one who attend to the faculty because they can join a med school.
In Thailand, many people that have stereotype opinion don't know about that they are one of cause effect that silence occurs today. So that it is evaluation to pharmacy students without them and convince other people to think that pharmacy students are not as intelligent as medicine students. It is not easy to become pharmacy student, though not as difficult as medicine student. So that's why people don't think that pharmacy students are smart enough and choose this faculty because it was the number 2 faculty they want to attend. As a result, there are some people who dislike this faculty and don't think the pharmacy students are smart. However, pharmacy students are really good at studying, and everyone have their own right to choose this faculty that they like.
From the interview, the majority had heard this stereotype and most of them disagree with it. And the rest of them had their reason that came from their parents' suggestion or their decision. Nowadays, pharmacies in Thailand have been affected by this stereotype, which caused people to devalue this faculty or occupation. One every job or faculty is hard, but in a different way. So we should be open-minded or have a growth mindset and realize the importance of every job that propels society. If missing one of them can lead to the collapse of society.
From the observation, we got 25 interviewees from 70 people of targets, 12 people from pharmaceutical faculty, and 13 students from other faculty. Most of the interviewees think they get into pharmaceutical because of their goals. So mostly have positive attitude towards pharmaceutical students. Less of them apply to pharmaceuticals because of their parents. However, some of people say they get into pharmaceuticals because they can get into medical school. By the reason of medical school has a high conversion ratio than pharmaceutical faculty. Finally, this stereotype doesn't improve our communities and lead to misunderstanding that suppress their abilities and potential. I wish people would stop overgeneralizing every student's path in life and embrace their decisions.